Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Sunday, May 4th. All right, I wanted to get this out of the way this weekend. Many members are asking me what's Apple going to do for the next 30 days. So we're actually going to take a quick look at it. Did an article, and we're going to manage it right in the live chat room over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. So but just for everyone, and so everybody can have the shares on record and dates and everything else, I want to do this article for everybody. Now, just to let you know some history here, we rode up, of course, and then this double top came into play, and we were watching this really close. And we did a couple of charts on it, technical analysis, and really called. After we broke this Bollinger Band here, we did call this gap down here that needed to get filled, but you can't really see it on this one. But there was a gap down here at 360 and 380, I'm sorry, and 390, and it did get filled. So it was a beautiful ride to the downside long term, beautiful ride to the upside. After this, the second bottom was put in place. We said get leaps, and then let's get 700 in play. So the reason why I was saying 700 from a technical standpoint is there's a gap right here, and it's right at 697, I think it is, somewhere right in that area. So there's a little gap right here on the daily, and we're on a nice march on the way up. But we did just break, very importantly, this here, this double top here. Get a big move to the upside over it. You get a little bit of resistance right here. We'll move this up right to this candle, and this is the daily. Okay, so you get a little bit of resistance here, and that's where it stopped and is taking a break. But let me zoom back in over here. There's really it's fine because you have the other support right here, which is really close. But more importantly, I think people are going to stop buying this and collect some shares before the split. So it's definitely something that we want to keep our eye on. But let's look at a different time frame. So we need 1 month basically. Okay, so taking a look at the weekly. Weekly had a great week, even though the daily is very deceiving. Right now, if you look at this, you can see the weekly looks very sexy, and it does. Okay, so your last 2 weeks, beautiful move here. Okay, it's been great from here, right off the 200-day moving average, right up over the middle, holding the middle Bollinger Band, and then rocket. Okay, so we made that rocket, and we broke this cluster here. Okay, and we moved higher. Okay, so the weekly is beautiful, and now it's just sitting at this resistance right here. Okay, we got this double top right here, and it's using that as basically your resistance right now. But here's your gap up here. Okay, so we have a move right here that needs to take place, and the move is a nice move. All right, it's $100 from where it is right now. Could it happen? Yeah, it definitely could. Okay, I don't know if it's going to, but our prediction is it's going to be very close. Okay, so take a look at the weekly here. If you look at your money chalk and money flow, it's starting to kick up from being way down here. Also, your relative strength index has plenty of room to move up to the upside. Now, taking a look at a monthly, we need a 1 month move from where it is now to get there. If you notice right here, 1 month move, we moved from 511, and we got right up here to 600 almost. Okay, so it's almost a $100 move in 1 month. Now, if you look at the monthly here, this is beautiful. It's just double bottom here, definite sign. This is why you use all your time frames to move to the upside. Okay, so you just hold it and let it go because she's ripping. Good investment, nice solid trend is in place, holding the middle Bollinger Band, very bullish to the upside. Okay, so that goes for any stock, not just this one. Your chalk and money flow should start to turn now because we're way down here, and your relative strength index has plenty of room to move to the upside. So what we're going to need here is that one candle. Okay, we're going to need one beautiful candle to come up prior to the split, and then once that takes place, then that would be one of those things where it was very lucrative for everybody. Okay, so June 6th, I believe, is the record holding. It's on the article. So look for Apple to get aggressive this month. It could be a great trade, a lucrative trade for everybody. We will be managing the trade throughout the month in the chat room every day. If you're not a member, please join up. It's $7.50 for a lifetime, and we go through many trade setups and alerts and training and hundreds of videos, daily videos, during the day videos, newsletter videos, training videos, you name it. But we have a great team there, building scans and always searching for the biggest and the best things. So join us over at milestonecapitalgrowthportfolio.com and start taking control of your portfolio for the better. All right, this is Matt. Have yourself a great month of trading, and we will see you in our live chat room.